Hi my dears, a very good morning. I hope you all have completed your classwork and textual exercises of lesson 1. We are going to learn about our grammar textbook of first lesson. Be ready with your grammar textbooks. What is a sentence? Already in our previous classes we have discussed about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. And you have to remember while writing a sentence, always remember three things. That is, always a sentence begins with a capital letter. That is, for example, A, B, like Ravi, Rama, like that. And most of the sentence ends with a full stop. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And the third is the word must be put in their proper order to make a complete sense. A sentence should be in an order to make it a complete sense. For example, love toys children. Milk gives cow. Third is do balloon many I have. Do they make complete sense? Means, is there any meaning in the sentence? No, we have to keep the sentence in a order. The most important characteristic of a sentence is the subject and the verb combination. So, we have to arrange the given sentence in a proper order. That is, children love toys. And second is, cows give milk. Third one is, I have many balloons. Now children, open your English grammar textbook, and this is our first lesson sentence. And here there is an exercise. Match the column. Bingo my dog, the goalkeeper, Shillong is, these books. Oh, look at the moon, the glass slipper, the penguin, the father's old car, the capital of Meghalaya. Fetch the newspaper, it is shining up there. Skillfully stop the ball. Is a bird that can't fly. Have beautiful pictures. Keeps breaking down. Fitted Cinderella. So here they have given some sentences. You have to match to make it a proper sentence. For example, bingo my dog. Fetch the newspaper. The goalkeeper skillfully stopped the ball. Like that you have to match. You have to match for the remaining. And now turn the page. See here. Place the verbs correctly and rewrite the sentence. You may need to make other changes. So here they have given some sentences. You have to, I told you that a sentence starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. So the dogs in our neighborhood all through the night bark. So here you have to rearrange the sentence where necessary corrections needed, that you have to do. See here T is small and here T is capital. Sentence starts with a capital letter. The dogs in our neighborhood bark all through the night. So here we have arranged this in a Sharada has never seen an ostrich. So ends with a full stop. Second, I have already this film watched. Children, you have to do this exercise. So like how I have kept here, like that you have to put I have already this film watched. So what we have to do, we have to arrange this. I have already watched this film. I have already watched this film. Now, we all afternoon played in the park. We all played in the park afternoon. Tina, a fairy. Tina saw the garden in. So the order is Tina saw a fairy in the garden. It might in the evening today rain. It might in the evening today rain. So the order is today, in the evening, In the evening, it might rain. Kartika, this dress gave me. So what is the order? Kartika gave me this dress. Mani, this book for the third time is reading. Mani is reading the book for Mani, this book for the third time is reading. Mani is reading this book for the third time. So, like this, in this order, you have to complete this sentence and ends with a full stop, starts with a capital letter. You have to do this and you have to write here correct words from the box to complete the sentence. So here they have given a clue box. You have to choose. You have to pick one word to which is suitable for the sentence. For example, Gauri is Ratna's cow. She lives in a, where do cow lives? Yes, cow lives in a shed. So write here shed. Hunter is Jijo's dog. He lives in a, where do dogs live? Yes, dogs live in kennel. Write here kennel and full stop. My fish Nemo lives in an aquarium. So write here aquarium. A full stop because a sentence ends with a full stop. Myra has a rabbit. She lives in a hutch. Hutch. Full stop. Musa's horse lives in a, where do horse lives? Yeah, it's a stable. Put here. A sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. Here the sentence has two parts. The first part of the sentence is called subject and the second part of the sentence is called predicate. Look at here. For example, Meher likes yellow flowers. Here Meher is called the subject. That means whom about we are talking is called a subject, and a predicate tells about the something about the subject. That means here Meher is called a subject and Meher likes yellow flowers. What we are telling about Meher, that he likes. It is saying about it tells something about the subject is called a predicate. And this part of this is called a sentence, and the first part of the sentence is called subject and the remaining is called a predicate. Look at another sentence. A big stone rolled down the slope. Here a big stone. What is rolling down? A big stone. A big stone is rolling down. So a big stone is subject and rolling. What the subject is doing? It is rolling down the slope. And this is called a predicate. A big stone is called subject and roll down is the slope. Look at here, some more examples are there. Look at the underlined words. Write S for the subject and P for the predicate. So Aunt Rach loved Jenny. So here what you have to do is underline words. For the underlined words you have to put, if it is a subject you have to write here subject. If it is a predicate you have to write a P. If it is a subject you have to write S. If it is a predicate you have to write a P. This you have to write it of your own. I will post the key in the afternoon. Look at this. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the sentences. What you have to do here? They have given the sentences. In this you have to circle for the subject. You have to circle for the subject and you have to underline for the predicate. Number the group of words in the correct order to make a meaningful sentence. Here they have given some sentences. This you have to arrange this in an order and you have to put like these numbers. Look at here, for example, a cheetah on its body has black spots. Like how we did for the first, like that you have to number for this. And you have to